38% of Americans rate health care coverage in the U.S. as excellent or good. 54% rate the quality of health care in this country as excellent or good. That's where we stand today on these trends. Look at them over time. If you look at the health care coverage question over time, you'll see an uptick in about 2010. That's the year, of course, when the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, was passed, and we saw a modest but still a sustained uptick in the percent of Americans who rated health care coverage good at that point, although it's still well below 50%. Same thing when you look at the trends on the quality of health care, a slight uptick, it looks like, overall, starting at about that time. But what's interesting is when we look at what we call the internals of these data, we have seen a significant shift this year in the way that Democrats and Republicans rate health care coverage in this country. Prior to this point, see the long-term trend, Republicans were significantly more likely than Democrats to rate health care coverage positively. Suddenly, this year, we've had a switch, musical chairs, as it were. The Democrats have moved up where they're now more positive about health care coverage than are Republicans. Why? Well, the proximate cause, of course, is that the Affordable Care Act was implemented basically this year, a lot of the major provisions, including the health care exchanges. Apparently, our best estimate is that Democrats suddenly said, hey, health care coverage is getting better. Look at the rate of the uninsured's gone down. The exchanges are working. And Republicans, of course, who tend to be in our data very negative about the Affordable Care Act, said, nah, things aren't working well at all because of the Affordable Care Act. We'll monitor this. Maybe these trends will change by party next year, but at the moment, we've had a significant switch, and suddenly Democrats more positive about health care coverage than Republicans. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Gallup Editor-in-Chief.